on warranties is that it is more important for the doctor to give warranty so that they can experience failures, grow from those failures, and understand better of what the patient complains. Very good morning. Very commonly, patients come to us and ask us, what does warranties mean in dentistry? Some give 5 years, some say 2 years, some say no warranty, some say 15, some say lifetime. What does this warranty actually mean in dentistry? And I'll tell you what is my take on it. So in dentistry, whenever you undergo any treatment, there will be 2-3 components to it. One is the treatment itself, one is the artificial materials which are being used, that may be your teeth or an implant. And the third thing is your overall dental treatment, the structure of the treatment. So dental lab usually gives warranty for the materials for the teeth. Implant company gives warranty for the implant being used. They formulate the major component of your cost. Because these two different companies or different organizations are able to give warranties, and that is why the doctor also gives warranties. But the warranty is not of the treatment done. Let us consider a situation where an implant has been placed and a crown has been given, and now after a few years that implant and crown both have failed. The implant company is ready to give a new implant, but now there is no bone. The crown has fractured into two. The laboratory is ready to give a new crown also, but now we are not able to place an implant itself because there is no bone. So now in this case, what needs to be done? My take on warranties is that it is more important for the doctor to give warranty so that they can experience failures, grow from those failures, and understand better of what the patient complains. See, today if we didn't give any warranties to the patient, it would be very simple. Okay, I would always think in my head that the patient is very happy, even if it has been 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, patient is very happy. But it is because of these failures where we learn that okay, these are the problems which patients face and how do you mitigate them. And this is the whole idea of our practice, is if a failure has occurred or if some trouble has occurred. So failure is a very absolute term. Usually there will be small issues which the patient faces. So keeping a regular follow-up is important in that case. When a regular follow-up is there, even the smallest of the trouble, a trouble like I am able to eat everything but I feel the food is not getting chewed completely. I feel there is a different taste in my mouth. I feel my tongue is rubbing towards a rougher surface, to a more bigger or more difficult that my tooth is moving itself. Any of these small or big issues, okay, can be understood by the team, can be worked upon so that it gets rectified. And this is the most important aspect when we look at warranties. Ultimately, it is your bone, your teeth, and your implants. As a dentist, it is always our aim to make sure that whatever treatment we do, they last for as long as possible. The implants which are being used, they are all titanium based. They all are of similar component of what you have in your ortho, that when we get a fracture, there is a rod placed inside. They are of similar type. So there is no point of it to fail. But if it is failing, that means there would be other factors as well. And one such factor we have identified is the bite, the occlusion. If the patient is able to maintain their occlusion, then nothing should go wrong. And that is why we request for follow-ups. In the follow-up treatment, it is a hardly 10-15 minute job where we only look at the bite, we see how the bite has changed with time, because this bite keeps on changing. Your joint undergoes remodeling, your muscles realign, your jaw positions keep changing. So we just align these bites, and if they are aligned, you are going to be fine. And this is what my take of warranty is. It is not for the patient but for the doctor to become better and better at their practice to serve their patients better. Thank you.